In this presentation, you will learn about reflexivity. Reflexivity involves comprehension of both the phenomena under investigation and the research process as a whole. Using a reflective diary, the author gives a behind the scenes look at a first project, bridging the gap between theory and practice. This personal story emphasizes the need of reflection both during and after a study, and it may assist newcomers to the profession understand the research process. Fieldwork or conducting research alters every researcher in a variety of ways. As field researchers, you engage in learning experiences known as reflexivities. The changes in you that have occurred as a result of the research process and how these changes have influenced the research process are detailed. It illustrates the process of figuring out how we as researchers shaped and were shaped by research output. The efforts made to learn about and comprehend different social problems such as poverty, development, gender, migration, and population health. In our reflexivity notes or insights, we discuss the problems we have experienced in our epistemological stances and personal and methodological issues. When researchers recognize these shifts, that reflexivity in research becomes a component of the study. Through this consciousness, we, our teammates and co researchers, and all those engaged with the research project become aware of personal and methodological issues, relational and reflexive nature. Throughout the reflexive research process, we as researchers must be aware of our contributions to the formation of meanings and lived experiences. Imagine you are going to study child labor in Kalina, which is your field. What are the steps that you are going to take? Firstly, find where the children are, ideally, traffic signals. Second, plan out how you are going to contact them. Third, list out the questions you will ask them, so prepare your questionnaire. Fourth, make notes about your observations in the field. This becomes part of your data collection. Fifth, write down your own emotions, fear, conflicts on hearing those children's stories. This leads to reflexivity. Sixth, include everything in your project. So include all your findings. There are several works which have used reflexivity, like Remembered Village by M.N. Srinivas. In this book, he writes about his journey in the village where he had to talk to locals, his place of residence, where there were cattle nearby and he found it difficult to stay there. Thank you for watching the presentation. Do like, subscribe, share, and leave your comments about this presentation or any other topics you would like to learn more about.